NEBOSH IGC. 6 Roles of directors, managers, and supervisors, key points from the video. And ultimate responsibility for health and safety. While it's common to say everyone is responsible for health and safety, directors and top managers must create clear, documented roles for everyone in the organization. Establish and resource health and safety systems. Top management sets the safety culture and objectives, such as accident reduction targets or training goals. Accountability. They must hold managers and supervisors accountable for implementing and enforcing safety standards. Directors and senior managers should be visibly involved in health and safety, attending the workplace, participating in training, and responding to safety concerns. Each level has specific duties, but the ultimate responsibility remains with those at the top. They must respond to health and safety complaints or suggestions.